And back for part two. Another typical calculus question where we got to find the equation of a tangent, this time to this maybe nasty function, we don't know. The idea, we're filling this in, right? Where we know x1 is 3 pi over 4, and y1 is whatever I put in when I put in 3 pi over 4 into this thing. So let's do that. Let's do that straight off, just get it out of the way, I guess. And 3 pi over 4. The sine of, and I'm trying to do this exact, 2 times that is 3 pi over 2, right? Because the 2's cancel. And what's the sine of 3 pi over 2? Well, the sine of 3 pi over 2 is, there's 2 pi, there's 3 pi over 2. This is -1. So that is -3 pi over 4. So that's what y1 is. There's x1 is 3 pi over 4. So now how do we get the slope? We got to take the derivative, of course. So the derivative, where y is x sine 2x. This is a product rule. Take the derivative of the first thing, write down the second thing, plus write down the first thing, derivative of the second thing. Derivative of sine of 2x is cos of 2x. Leave the thing inside. But then I got to take the derivative of the inside thing, remember, which is just 2. And so then I got y prime is equal to sine 2x plus 2x cos 2x. I just put the 2 out front. And then now I want to find that derivative when x is 3 pi over 4. And again, I'm going to have to pull some of my advanced functions Trig knowledge out. That doesn't scare any of you, does it? No problem. Trig was your favorite unit. And then a little bit of work here. This is the sine of 3 pi over 2, which we already said is -1. 2 times this is, I'm just going to do that in one step, right? Because the 2's cancel. I got 3 pi over 2. Cos of this is, I think this is going to be the cos of 3 pi over 2, which is, what's the cos of 3 pi over 2? There's pi, there's 2 pi, there's 3 pi over 2. That's 0. So I get the sine of 3 pi over 2, which is -1, plus 3 pi over 2 times 0 is just -1. So the slope is just plain old -1. And then I can get the equation. Y minus negative, right? It was 3 pi over 4 equals the slope, x minus 3 pi over 4. And then I think that's the equation. Y equals -x plus 3 pi over 4 minus 3 pi over 4. Oh, look at that. Y equals -x. That's the required equation. Unless I've made an error. And let's see, did I make an error? No, I don't think I did. I think that's it. So -1 times that, and yep, it looks like that's the required equation. Y equals -x. And if I did make an error, you can make fun of me in class, and I'll allow that. That's it for this one. There's a bunch of homework for you to do, and remember, you got the squeeze theorem video to go through it as well.